Oh, man.
I ain't got no time for no raggedy ass niggas today. Man, shut up, man. Y'all niggas listen to stories. Man, y'all know ain't no nigga check me, nigga. Fuck y'all talk about. Birdman waited 25. Y'all been calling Birdman a bitch ass nigga for 25 years. He waited 25 years to say something. Think about that. Think about that. They get on the phone and talk about me. Wax told me in my face, all my niggas is real, and I told him in his face, Birdman's a bitch ass nigga and he your homie. He ain't real. We talk about the footage is already out. We seen the podcast. I told the nigga to his face, your man's a bitch ass nigga. He ain't real. Your man, your home, ain't nothing happen. Ain't nothing happened to me, man. I ain't leave out with a splinter, man. How real do it get? Oh, my niggas is real. No, you ain't. Your man's a bitch ass nigga. He's a pussy. I beat him the fuck up. I said all of that. What we talking about, man? What we talking, nigga, wait 25 years later to say something? Shut up, man. You been a pussy, man. Shut up, nigga. Probably want to hear that shit, Bird, man. You got all that shit written on your face to disguise the fact that you really a bitch ass nigga, man. Shut up. Damn, you look good. I first called a nigga a bitch ass nigga. I first called Birdman a bitch ass nigga in 2004. It's 2024. He responded, sit your dumb ass down somewhere, nigga. You 60 years old now, nigga. Shut up. I ain't even, when I was on that type of time and I wanted all the smoke, you didn't want no smoke. Now I'm out here saving the kids' lives. You want smoke at 60. Sit your senior citizen ass down, nigga. You 15 years older than me, nigga. Sit your dumb ass down. I heard he was, I ain't even see it. I heard he was on there with a gun. You're not gonna shoot nothing, let nothing die, nigga. Fuck you got, what you on there with a gun for? You ain't gonna throw rice at fucking Korean wedding. What the fuck is you on there with a gun for? Sit your dumb ass down, man. You too old for that shit. That be the bottom line. You too old for that shit. When that motherfucker, when that fame go away, niggas start doing anything. You ain't taste that roar, that crowd, the long motherfucker. You ain't hear.
Hey, my Instagram is usually like PG-13. You done took it to like X-rated R.
Nigga saying something about that shit on here. I'm just correcting it. You don't hear the roar of the crowd in a long time. You start talking about shit that don't matter no more. Yeah. Fuck out of here, nigga. Bird, man, that ain't never sold no birds. Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Fuck you talking to, man. I was there when Mickey and TQ gave you that name. Said you should call yourself Bird, man. All right. Go get a big dumb ass shake. I was there, buddy. Like when Mickey and TQ told you gave you that fucking name. Such a dumb ass up. He ain't never saw no fucking birds, man. I know the real bird man of New Orleans, nigga. You know I know him. I ain't gonna shout him out, though. I ain't no rat.
Ray, what is wrong with you?
You know I know the real bird man, nigga. You know I know him. Fuck wrong with you? You know I know who you want to be, nigga. Whole New Orleans know who you want to be, nigga. I ain't gonna say his name, though. But you know we still cool, nigga. You know that's my man. Fuck wrong with you? Shout out to all the real niggas from New Orleans. Huh? Hot Beezle, Cito, Tato, Busy, Wop, Lack, rest in peace, Killer Stone, BG. Oh, fuck out of here. You gonna pick BG up from prison. The last time you and BG seen each other, he was on a porch with about 25 niggas saying, "Wee, wee, fuck you bringing police around here for a nigga. This your hood, nigga. Wee." Remember we was at a video shoot? You remember that shit?
You probably scaring my followers.
Remember we was at a video shoot and BG was on that step with 25 niggas? Wee, wee, you bitch ass nigga. You got the police out here. Now you picking a nigga up from jail. Get your dumb ass up, man. Better give that nigga some money too, nigga. Scary ass. Man, let me get off. I'm on your live. I don't even talk like this on your live. Nigga on here talk about what about Black and Bird, man. Stop that dumb ass shit, man.
What is wrong with you?